differ, and were you ever scared?
Not really. It was great because we got, the cast was there, I think about 2 weeks before we started to shoot. And we spent the time sitting in our group therapy meetings, which of course so much of the movie is a group therapy session. And just seeing how the mechanics of the place, how it ran. And meeting the various patients. And on the top, we shot in a 3-story building. And we were on the second floor. And above us was a maximum security ward. And we were taken on a tour around it. By the way, the patients were all told about it. Didn't have to participate if they didn't want to. So nothing was forced on them. But you could go up there and befriend one of these patients. And I remember talking and spending some time with a young guy who committed a homicide. And he drew, he was an incredible artist, very smart. And an interesting guy to talk to. If you didn't know anything more about him, you know, it's like, it's sort of spooky. Interesting. Yeah, so we spent 2 weeks there beforehand. And a lot of the extras in the film are patients from the hospital. Especially some guy who's played, he's an old guy, with a flute, plays, you can hear they use them in the soundtrack live. So they were part of it too.
Wow. Thank you so much.